Hey, a quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to do something like dancing, sports, or coding, but stopped yourself because someone else told you that boys don't do that or this is not for girls? Come, let's talk about who actually gets to decide what you can do. We grow up hearing all these rules, right? Boys should be strong and tough, girls should be gentle and polite, boys don't cry, girls aren't really good at math, boys play cricket, girls do art, and etc. etc. But seriously, who made all these rules and why are we still following them? These are called gender stereotypes and they limit all of us, boys as well as girls. Gender stereotypes are just old beliefs that got repeated so many times that people forgot to question them. They are not facts, they are just ideas, and bad ideas at that because they stop us from doing what we actually love. Let's talk about some people who ignored these so called rules. Kalpana Chawla, who became an astronaut when people told her that space is not for women. Mary Kom, who became one of the first India's champion boxer when people told her that rough sports aren't for girls. And it's not just women breaking barriers. Vikas Khanna is one of India's most famous chefs, a field where people used to say it's just women's work. Virat Kohli openly talks about mental health and burnout, breaking that tough guy stereotype. Classical dancers like Pandit Birju Maharaj showed that dance isn't just for girls, it's an art for everyone. Here's why this matters. When boys are told not to cry or man up, they learn not to share their emotions. But that's really unhealthy. When girls are told to be shy and polite, they learn not to stand up for themselves. That's really not fair. These stereotypes don't protect us. In fact, they limit us. Think about your own school. Maybe there's a boy who loves making art but won't join the art club because his friends would call him girly. Or maybe there's a girl who loves playing football but won't join the club because someone told her that's too rough for girls. Sounds familiar? These stereotypes are everywhere, but they are just noise. They don't have to be your truth. So here's your challenge. Actually, two challenges. First, you have to try something new that you were avoiding because of gender expectations. If you're a boy and if you love dancing or cooking, just go for it. If you're a girl and if you want to try football or robotics, just sign up for it. Your interests don't need anyone's permission. Second challenge. When you hear a stereotype, and you will, just question it. Ask, who said so? Why not? And when your friends go against the grain, support them. Because breaking boxes takes a lot of courage. Your interests, your dreams, your emotions, none of them have a gender. The only person who gets to decide what you want to do is you, yourself. So, just stop asking for permissions and go for it and do what makes you come alive.